Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine and I'm on a mission to save coin, stuff cash, and spill the tea on my money wins and fails. So if you are interested in joining my debt journey, my journey to financial freedom, definitely subscribe and join the tribe. Y'all, we are stuffing $219 today. All right, if I'm talking really low, I apologize. The baby is asleep and this is prime time for me to film, okay? Housekeeping aside, let's talk about what we made for my adjunct professor check, y'all. Now, I projected myself to get 2 checks for my adjunct job. I only got one, but it's okay. And I got $683.83. So from this point on, I will now get paid bi-weekly. I guess I had to wait 4 weeks for them to put me in the system or whatever. Let me just share with you what I spent some of the money on. We spent $61.39 on food, $17.71 on a business expense. I actually end up getting another budget binder and this cash tray on Amazon, and I was like, you know what, why not? I need a cash tray and this is perfect. This is actually a makeup tray, y'all, but listen, it works the same way. And I will be creating a business sinking fund moving forward. We spent an additional $60 on food. I gave $150 to hubby. I spent $30 on the household, getting some household supplies, sponges, dish soap, whatever. I put $132.72 into my Roth IRA. My goal for my Roth IRA is to contribute at least $1,000 for 2025. If I can contribute more, then great. I put aside $43.58 towards self-employment taxes. $28.61 is going to renter's insurance. $25.24 is going to SiteGround. $7.84 is going to my G Suite. I spent $10 on Wi-Fi. $168.15 I contributed to my passport sinking fund. Y'all, huge update. We are fully funded. Our passports have been fully funded. We went in for our appointment on Tuesday. All of us got our passports. We're waiting for the hard copies, but y'all, I'm so proud of myself. And I just want to give thanks to God because God is amazing. But yeah, I'm really excited. We are super close to our cruise coming up in May. We're going to be ready to travel international waters in style. Okay. I forgot to add that I put $5 into a business sinking fund, which is going to be in my checkings account because I want to be able to go on Amazon and shop for different things if I need to. I have an Ally account. That's my main account, and you can't deposit cash money into it, so that's why I'm putting funds into that debit account. But anyways, $219, and this isn't including my second gym check. This is just the remaining for my adjunct professor job. God is amazing. Let's get into the allocations, shall we? So for personal, let us just whip out this wallet right here. And by the way, I have Chime. Chime is a great way to build credit, and if you open up a Chime account and do a direct deposit of at least $200, you will get an extra $100 into your account. I've tried this and I got paid, y'all. Y'all saw my last cash stuffing, or the one before. You get it. It's for real. I'll make sure to put my referral link in the description box. But yeah, just want to put you onto that. For personal, I'm gonna give myself $34. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm trying to figure out whether or not I want to spend this money on makeup or other things. I don't know, y'all, but I came across, not I came across, but I got a really bad chalazion, child, I don't know. I got a really bad chalazion the other day, and I think it was because I used old makeup. So y'all, throw away your makeup if you've had it for more than 3 to 6 months, because the bump on my eye was hideous. I'll have to be talking about it in my main channel, but just stay tuned for that. Okay, so personal is done, and let us go into, I still have $6.53 in my household account, but we are all tapped out for household this time around. For food, I want to give myself here $78. So let's do that. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 2, 6, 7, 75, 76, 78. All right, now I have been contributing to the groceries. My budget for this month was $200, and this is the last of the funds. So this is great because we're actually going into March now. So I would say I did pretty good. Now, in terms of my emergency fund, I am gonna wait till I get my next check, which is my gym check, to actually contribute to this. And I want to go into some sinking funds right now. All right, now just to make sure I stay on track here, I had 219 minus 34 minus 78. And so, is that it? Why am I so bad at this? 34, 78, 107, right? All right, y'all, we got $107 left to cash stuff. And I want to cash stuff Jasmine because she needs some love, girl. We're going to put $20 into that. So we will do 10, 15, 20 into Jasmine. So $20 into Jasmine, and let's just minus 20. All right. Next, B-Day is supposed to be getting 20. We'll go back to that. Hubs is good for February. I know. Hubs got plenty. Okay, Samadhi needs $10. That I can do. I actually like doing the 10s, but I'm gonna do 5s since we have so many 5s already. Samadhi's my toddler. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 75, 76, 80 $80 in Samadhi. Let's fix these dollar bills, y'all. Okay, Samadhi is fully funded, so I'll minus 10. Okay, perfect. Next, diapers and wipes definitely needs $30. Diapers and wipes needs 30. All right, well, actually 25. 30. We are trying to get her to use the potty. It's still a struggle, but we are getting there, y'all. It's a struggle. let's see, passports have been fully funded, and I actually want to turn this into a vacation sinking fund to cover parking, gratuity, the daycare, and maybe some like fun money or whatever. So I'm gonna create something new for March. Stay tuned for that. All right, emergency fund, like I said, we're gonna wait for tomorrow. Health needs some love. We gotta give health $24. Health is wealth, y'all. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me tell you something. This health fund came clutch when I had this chalazin on my eye. I was able to go and get some apple cider vinegar. 24. I was able to get a whole bunch of healing things, and it's helped so much, y'all. So the health fund covers medicine if you're like sick or whatever. It can cover a copay if you needed to cover a copay. We have $23 left. Let's do future home and fixed expenses. Let's do $4 in fixed. So I'm trying to save up 1 month of fixed expenses as well. Just minus 4. For $16. Yep. Okay, fixed expenses. Next we have we can do future home, we can do Xmas. Let's do $3 in future home. Actually, let me just check this real quick. Gotta give myself some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. Or maybe not. Let's see. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 fixed expenses. Nope. That's future home. Okay. And that is minus 3, 16. That is correct. All right. What is next? Gifts is $10. We can just do $10 here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for gifts. All right, and what is next? We have $6 left. Baby number 2 can get something. Baby number 2 has 16. If we do 4, they'll have 20. So what I'm gonna do is give it a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have $2. I usually don't plan out what category gets what when, so it is what it is. Clothing is supposed to get $10, but I have 2 here for now, and I'll just add the rest in when I stuff the rest. Let me just minus 4, then minus 2. All right. As you can see, we're at 0. Now, I'm going to make the changes on my CoPlenty spreadsheet. I absolutely love this spreadsheet, and if you are looking to have a spreadsheet similar to mine, definitely check out the description box. There will be a discount code and links to everything I mentioned today, so I'm really excited about that. So just to reiterate, God is amazing. And I will be back very, very soon with another cash stuffing, and I'll be stuffing the emergency fund, and I'll be stuffing all the other categories that I haven't stuffed this week around. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you want to see other videos, definitely let me know in the comment section. And with all that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl.